Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share Google Drive link. Let's get started. So once you've logged into your Google Drive, you're going to go to the left side of the screen, and then you're going to press on this button which says plus new, and then you're going to click on new folder. So now you're just going to rename it. I'm going to call mine C3. Then press enter. So next thing that we need to do is upload a file. So we're going to go inside of the folder by double clicking. And then we're going to go to the left side of the screen again and then press on the button which says plus new. Now this time, instead of folder upload, we're going to press on file upload. So I'm going to use this file, for example, offer1, and then press open. So once it is done, if you want to share the file separately, then what you're going to do is go here to the right where these three dots are. You're going to click on that and then press share, and then press share again. So if you only want people with the link to have access to the file or folder, then you're going to go to general access, and then you're going to keep it on restricted. Only people with access can open with the link. But let's say you want everybody to be able to open the file or folder, then you're going to press on this downward arrow here or upside down triangle, and then you're going to click on anyone with the link. So now it says updating. So now it says anyone on the internet with the link can view. So viewers of the spot can see comments and suggestions. So if you want to share the link, you're just going to press here, copy link, and then you're going to press done. So now you're going to go to that specific software where you want to share the link, such as Instagram, Facebook, and so on. But let's say you want to share the folder now. So what we need to do now is go here, which says my drive. Now next to it, it's going to say your folder name. Then you're going to click on this downward triangle and then press share again and then share. And there you go. You just follow the same process. General access, restricted. Only people with access can open with the link. So people who have the link will be able to access it, and people who don't have the link will not be able to open it or view it. But if you want everybody to see it, then you go to press here again, and then anyone with the link, and then copy the link, and then paste it. There you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free, and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.